This video explains what to do when you have a citation within the material you are quoting from, according to APA Style 6th edition, both in the text of your paper and in your reference list at the end of your paper. For more information about APA Style, check out some of our other videos, like Referencing Sources in APA Style, a Basic Introduction. Let's get started with what to do in the text of your paper. This is an excerpt from an article by authors Sung and Meyer. What if you would like to include this quotation in your paper? The authors have cited another source for this information, Clark. Who do you cite in your paper and in your reference list? Sung and Meyer or Clark, or both? You basically have two options. Option 1. You can simply include any citations that appear in the original source when you reproduce the quotation in your paper. Notice that in parentheses, Clark 2001 appears inside the quotation marks. This is because it is part of the original quotation written by Sung and Meyer. Then, in your in-text citation in parentheses, you cite Sung and Meyer, because that's the article you read. You could also refer to Sung and Meyer in your sentence, include Clark 2001 as part of the quotation, like before, and then indicate just the page number in parentheses. In both of these examples, you are citing Sung and Meyer, and you are including information about who they cited as part of the quotation. But what if you want to cite Clark? In this case, APA recommends locating the original article written by Clark. It's always best to use the primary source when possible. But here's what to do if you are unable to locate the original source. If you want to refer to Clark, then you must indicate in parentheses, as cited in, Sung and Meyer. This indicates that you used the secondary source, in this case Sung and Meyer, and are not actually citing Clark's original article. Next, let's look at who you cite in your reference list at the end of your paper. That's easy. In your reference list, you only need to cite Sung and Meyer. Only create a separate entry for Clark if you actually located and read Clark's original article. For more information about APA Style, check out some of our other videos, or visit the Munn Library's webpage for our full online APA guide and to chat live with library staff.